guys, we're here at I Love AR City of San Jose del Monte. Ayan, ito po yung overlooking at picture spot dito sa amin sa San Jose. So, this is it, guys. So, nakita nyo naman yung vlog ni Miss Alex Gonzaga. Galing siya dito noong binisit niya ang aming town, ang City of San Jose del Monte. So, daming tao kahit na anong oras na. The security of is still here. So, secure na secure kayo dito pumunta. So, may joyride na nandito. So, if you book, mabilis mag-access. So, ito yung aming, ito yung ating dito. Cafe. O, kaya nga, di ba?
Kami nila Marie.
Oo.
Kami nagpatay.
Dito kayo nagpagpag. Yan. Comfort food. Ito yung AR. Ayan. So, magko-coffee tayo. Ayan, there, overlooking ng Kaypian ng buong...
Ano na? Wala akong nakita.
Saan pupunta, guys? So, ito yung ating JDB Comfort Food. Oo naman. So, daming tao. Kahit na gabi, anong oras na? It's 11:25. So, still, maraming tao. Magpicture. So, pwedeng dalhin yung mga bata dito kung gusto mag-food trip. Yan. Ayan siya. This is the AR Packet Garden. Wow. It's a lawn district representative of Honorable Florida Robes and our city mayor, of course, Arthur B. Robes.
Wow.
This is Manang Ate. Andyan yung health center ng Kaypian. And this is about the Packet Garden. They say this green space is a well-designed community park funded by the city government of San Jose del Monte and heartily dedicated by our Congresswoman Florida Robes and our city mayor, of course, ang aming gwapong-gwapong mayor, Arthur B. Robes, and the sangguniang panglusod ng City of San Jose del Monte. Oh, February 14 pa na to, 2023. Ayan. This project was inaugurated on February 14, 2023 in Barangay Kaypian, Cities of San Jose del Monte. So, ang kanyang birthday, this place is February 14. So, that's why I heart AR. Arya San Jose, guys.